Dear learners, this is a 5 minutes tidbits about the machine learning. So we are going to learn what is machine learning, when to use machine learning, where to use machine learning, and how to use a small glimpse of how to use machine learning. So if we talk about the simple programming language or simple programming concept or logical concept, what we are doing, what we are giving the data and we are writing the line of code which is known as the program and which gives the output. So this line of code will decide whether your output is correct or not based on the logic. But if we talk about the machine learning evolves its behavior based on the data. So data as compared to traditional learning, here the data is the huge data, and we are writing a program as in which is known as the machine learning model, and this machine learning model predicts based on the data, and it's changes its behavior as the data increases, or it accommodates the new changes also in our output. So the machine learning is basically it is ability to learn without explicitly program. We are just giving some models, and based on this model it is learning from the data. And very famous definition by the Tom Michael is saying, based on the machine, if the computer program is learning from its experience with respect to some class of t, and the performance of that program is measured with p, and if the performance is increased or improved with the experience e, then this program is called learning from the experiences. So if we talk in layman language, if we talk about the machine learning is to identify the patterns from the data, and based on this pattern we are making the decision. What we are doing, we are making the decision based on this data. This decision is based hidden patterns and knowledge can be used to identify the future events and perform some kind of the decision making. Now the how this machine learning works. Suppose we get the input x and corresponding output we receive y is equal to 2. Right now we cannot predict, but if we get the second input 2 and corresponding output is equal to y, then we can think of deriving a rule. That pattern can be derived as x as an independent variable, and multiplying x by 2 we get another dependent variable, that is y. So this rule, our confidence will increase on this rule if we get more amount of similar data. So the experience will, based on our experiences, the prediction will be more accurate. If we talk about the machine learning, the AI is the mimic of a person, human being, and a final output of the human being. Like Alexa is the application, Amazon Alexa is the application of artificial intelligence. If we talk about the machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and it is technique to achieve AI, like spam detection, mail detection. And DL is a subset of machine learning where the complex which has which solve the complex problems of the AI, like number plate detection, image detection. So this is the deep learning. It introduced in machine learning is coined in 1980, but it is popular in last decade. So why it is popular in last decade? High amount of data has been produced on the social media, on the internet. Terabytes of data is available for the learning purpose. So we for executing this huge data, to learn the pattern from this data, we need the high computational power which is now available to us, and with the due of time we have now better algorithm for the predictions. So these are the main reason why the machine learning is now popular in nowadays. But when to use the machine learning, then if the problem is known to us and we know how to achieve this goal by number of steps, then we do not use the machine learning algorithm, we use the simple programming language. Like if we talk about prime number generation, maybe the prediction, maybe a program which tells about the age of a person, how old is this is not a machine learning problem. But when the human expertise does not exist, like mass navigation, है ना, in case of speech recognition, we cannot explain our expertise. And if the solution is changes with the time, like in computer network, then we use the machine learning. So what are the examples of the machine learning? Machine learning is used in every domain, whether it is medical, whether it is entertainment, whether it is a customer recommendation, sales recommendation, whether it is a stock market. So everywhere now we are using the machine learning. So students, you need to learn the machine learning concept, its algorithm. So coming up our next video on type of machine learning. Stay tuned and do not forget to like my channel.